In this video, we're going to show you how to import and export tag configurations using CSV files. This option is incredibly useful because it allows you to make bulk tag edits using any text editor before importing them back into the data model. This can save you a lot of time and effort when making large-scale changes to your tags. Let's start by heading to the navigation panel and clicking on the Config tab under System. Next, in the Explorer panel, you'll need to select Tags. Alright, now we can move on to exporting some tags. First, let's navigate to the folder or group of tags that we want to export. You will see an ellipsis button on the right-hand side of the Tags label. Click on that button to open the submenu, where you'll now be given the option to save CSV. Go ahead and click on that button. You'll now be able to specify the separation options and select the folder where you'd like to save the CSV file containing the tag configuration. Keep in mind that if you decide to export one or more template instances, the template definitions will not be automatically included. This means you'll need to export the templates as separate files. Okay, let's move on to the next step, which is importing tags. You can choose whether you want to import tags to an individual folder or import the entire model to the root folder. The first step is to head to the Config section, which can be found under System in the navigation panel. Once here, you need to select Tags in the Explorer panel. Next, navigate to the folder where you want to import your tags to, and click on the ellipsis button on the right side of the Tags option. This time, we are going to select the Load CSV tab. You will now be prompted to select the folder where the CSV file containing the tag configuration is stored. Go ahead and select the relevant file and click on Open. The tags will now be imported. Make sure you keep in mind these two important considerations whenever importing tags. First of all, when it comes to importing templates, you must always import the template configurations before importing any instances. Secondly, remember that if any of the tags imported already exist in the folder you have specified, these tags will be overwritten. I hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.